PC building has never been so easy, guys. Thing is, a lot of people love doing mini ITX PCs or like small form factor builds, but problem is it's not that easy in reality because mini ITX cases have like limited space, so placing components inside or doing cable management is like a real struggle. But not anymore. Cooler Master has finally listened to the feedback of people and actually came up with like a brilliant solution. So recently, Cooler Master debuted their new lineup of PC cases that goes by the name Max series, and in the house we have their very first product from this lineup. So meet Cooler Master's all new Master Box NR200P. Now this is a mini ITX case, guys, but it's not just any other simple PC case. This is like an all-in-one solution. So what Cooler Master has done is, along with this case, they've already like pre-installed and pre-routed like an AIO CPU cooler and also a built-in power supply, guys, that to like tailor-made and specially made for this mini ITX case. So you don't have to struggle with all the cabling or choosing perfect components. All you need to do is just place your motherboard, connect your GPU, and you're good to go. Your build is all done. So that is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. Now I am like super excited about this thing, so let's get started. So Cooler Master's new NR200P MAX comes in this sort of box packaging. On the outside, box might look a bit small to you, but it's actually quite heavy, guys. And on the front side of the box, you got the Cooler Master branding, says Max series mentioned over here, and NR200P MAX is their very first product in this lineup. And as I've told you, these Max series cases were designed to max out the potential of a PC case and greatly improve your PC building experience. And for the same reason, this case ships with a pre-installed and pre-routed power supply and AIO cooler on the inside. Now that is pretty awesome, right? Greatly saves your time and effort. We'll talk about all of that, like what PSU you are getting, which AIO is there inside, and all that once we get started with the unboxing part. Now there is nothing much written on the package, so let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So NR200P MAX is like fully flexible and customizable, guys. Offers two kinds of side panels, and by default it's got like a ventilated metal panel on the left, but you do get a tempered glass panel as well in the package for aesthetics. So choice is up to you. And here we go. Comes nicely packed like this, and man, oh man, that is heavy. You do get some paperwork as well, but I'm pretty sure nobody's gonna read it. So let's jump onto the case. And ta-da! Cooler Master's all new NR200P MAX mini ITX case. So let me just give you all a closer look and talk about the design and the build quality. As I've told you, NR200P MAX is a mini ITX all-in-one case that was designed to improve your small form factor PC building experience. It's got a predetermined layout to deliver the most efficient thermal and power delivery solution, at the same time maxing out the component support as well. It's got a simple, minimalistic design yet looks elegant as preferred by a lot of professionals. You've got the CM logo on the front and a lot of ventilated holes on the sides. Excellent build quality too. Entire body has a steel construction, hence that explains the weight. And as you can see, top panel is also like ventilated mesh, guys, to keep the thermals in check. And here's our front IO panel. There's a power button at the center, you get two USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, a restart button, and a 3.5mm audio jack. And remember at the beginning I've told you that despite the size, how flexible this thing is, and I literally mean that, guys. It's like 360-degree accessible. All the exterior panels on it can be removed while installing components or doing cable management, that too tool-free experience. Okay, so let me just open up the side panel and give you a peek on the inside. We have an accessory box over here which includes quite a few things, like you get a bundled PCIe Gen 4 riser cable for your GPU, because see, the case supports vertical GPU mount, right? And just in case, they made it future proof by adding PCIe Gen 4 support as well. And the rest are all different mounting brackets for the AIO and stuff. That is it, these are all the accessories. Moving on, here's how the NR200P MAX looks from the backside. Best part here is the whole design of the case is modular, guys, and features a removable GPU panel also. So you can easily mount your graphics card outside and simply fix it in the case later. And finally, here's how the interior of the case looks like. And as I've told you before, guys, the case comes with a pre-installed AIO CPU cooler and also a power supply on board. Now a lot of people might get a question like, why do I need to buy this ready-made solution? I can choose my own parts or components, right? But let me tell you, based on my experience, building a small form factor PC is not that easy. You need to thoroughly investigate and choose proper components that will surely be compatible with the case. Otherwise, you're simply gonna waste your time and money. But with CM's new Max series case, you don't actually need to go through all of this. They are providing you with a tailor-made cooling and power solution pre-installed out of the box. And even the cables on this thing are like pre-routed, guys. What more can you ask for? All you need to do is just throw in your motherboard, storage and GPU, and voila, your PC is all ready. And if you're curious what AIO and power supply you're getting with the case, well, everything is from Cooler Master only, and these guys are offering top-notch components specially targeted for high-end users. So you get a 280mm AIO in the case installed at the top, featuring two Sickle Flow 140mm fans, and comes with a third-gen dual-chamber AIO pump that is compatible with most of the sockets out there, like even AM4 and LGA 1700 is also supported. On the power supply side, you're getting a 850 watt, 80 plus gold rated small form factor design with custom length cables made specially for this case. And because of this whole tailor made experience, you'll get much more open space and large coverage area on the inside. So you can freely place your GPU and easily connect all your cables. On that note, NR200P MAX can support triple slot massive GPUs as well. Are you kidding me? Cooler Master says that you can even fit MSI's Gaming X Trio 3080 inside this thing. Now that is something I'm really looking forward to test out. And lastly, on the storage side, it supports 3 2.5 inch and 2 3.5 inch drives on the front side and behind the motherboard tray as well. So that is pretty much it, guys. This is what I wanted to show you all in this video. And finally, talking about the price of this product, well, this is going to be priced somewhere around like 32,000 to 34,000 rupees online. And prices may keep changing online depending on the situation. Anyways, I'll leave links to that in the description box below. Now my next plan is I'll be doing like a special video where I'll show you how to build a mini ITX PC using this case, like a step-by-step tutorial, guys. So everybody will get to know how to do this and how easy it is in reality. So this is what I'll be doing, and for this particular PC build, let me know what components I should go with. Should I go with like an Intel build or should I go with the AMD side? And also let me know which GPU I should use in this build. And if you have any other questions now, let me know. And in that video only, we'll check out the case's performance, like how is the thermal performance, what sort of CPU and GPU temperatures we are getting when we build a PC using this case. So I'll let you know everything in that video. So that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed and got to check out something new. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.